Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to make an e-commerce store using Webflow. Webflow is a powerful web design and development platform that empowers you to create stunning and interactive websites and e-commerce stores without coding. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the key features and functionalities of Webflow and show you step by step on how to build an e-commerce store. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience in web design, this tutorial will provide you with the knowledge and skills to create a professional e-commerce store that is tailored to your unique vision. So please consider giving me a thumbs up, otherwise I will go ahead and jump right into the Webflow tutorial. First, if you are new to the platform, you will need to sign up. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. Once you're on the home page, look for the Start Building button and click on it. After clicking on Start Building, you will be prompted to sign up for an account. Webflow offers two options for signing up, with Google or with your email. Choose the option that suits you best and proceed with the sign-up process accordingly. Once you've signed up and created your account, the next step is to personalize it. This involves providing some information and settings to tailor your account to your specific needs. Once you have personalized your account, you will be taken to your account dashboard where you can begin exploring the various features and tools offered by Webflow. To create an e-commerce store using Webflow, you'll need to follow a few simple steps. Let's walk through the process together. First, navigate to the Dashboard section located in the top bar of the Webflow interface. Click on it to access the dashboard, where you will find all the existing sites you've created. If you want to create a new site, specifically an e-commerce store, look for the New Site button on the right side of the screen. This will redirect you to another page where you can create your e-commerce store. Here you have two options. You can create your e-commerce store from scratch, or you can create your e-commerce store using pre-built templates. If you prefer to build your e-commerce store from scratch, you will need to look for the option labeled Blank Site. Hover over it and then click on Select. This action will prompt a pop-up window to appear, where you will need to enter a name for your store. Choose a name that reflects your e-commerce store and click the Create Site button. After clicking Create Site, you'll be redirected to the Webflow E-commerce Store Builder. This is where you can begin the process of building your e-commerce store from the ground up. With the freedom to start from scratch, you have complete control over every aspect of your e-commerce store's design and functionality. You can customize the layout, choose your desired color scheme, and tailor the overall appearance to align with your brand identity. The second option to build your e-commerce store is to use pre-built templates. Webflow offers a large number of free and premium responsive website templates. Since you want to create an e-commerce store, you should know that most of these templates are premium templates, especially the distinctive ones, so you need to pay for using these templates. These responsive e-commerce website templates will help you improve your client's purchasing experience. The best e-commerce website templates for you will depend on what you are trying to market in your online platform. However, if you want to use a premium template, I have two recommended templates for you. The first one is Octavius. Octavius is an e-commerce website template for selling tech products that comes with every feature you need. The template provides enough room for large product displays. This Webflow template features a distinctive color scheme and a visually appealing layout design. It is fully responsive, so your products will look great on any device. The second one is Mueble. If you want to create a large online store with an easy-to-navigate method, Mueble allows you to do so. Mueble includes all of the components needed to build a more sophisticated online store. It is made for those who need a more expansive e-commerce business that allows many product categories. So there are different types of site templates available, but in this tutorial we'll focus on the Store Starter template. To get started, hover over the Store Starter template and you'll notice three options: Learn More, Preview, and Select. Click on the Select option to choose this template for your e-commerce store. Upon clicking Select, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your store. Choose a name that represents your brand or product offerings. Once you've entered the desired name, click the Create Site button. After clicking Create Site, you'll be redirected to the Webflow E-commerce website builder page. Here you can begin customizing and personalizing the chosen template to suit your brand and products. Once you're on the website builder page in Webflow, you have access to various sections that allow you to customize your e-commerce website template to suit your preferences. These sections include the left panel, right panel, and top bar. The left panel is particularly important as it contains a range of options to enhance and modify your template. These options include Elements, Components, Navigator, Pages, CMS, Users, E-commerce, Assets, and Settings. Each option provides specific functionality and customization capabilities for your e-commerce store. One particular significance is the e-commerce panel within the left panel. This panel allows you to add and optimize e-commerce capabilities for your online store. When you click on the e-commerce panel, a sidebar will appear, presenting you with different options such as the setup guide, products, categories, discounts, orders, and subscriptions. The setup guide in the e-commerce panel provides basic information and reviews the settings for your store. It helps you understand and configure essential aspects of your e-commerce setup. The Products section is where you can manage and organize your store's products. You can view and edit existing products as well as add new ones. To add a new product, simply click on the Plus New Product button located at the top right corner. Here you can see an overview of your existing products, including their prices. You can also filter and search for specific products. In the Categories section, you can manage and organize the categories within your store. You can view all the categories along with the status, number of products in each category, and modification and publication dates. Filtering options are available to help you navigate and organize your product categories effectively. The Discounts section allows you to create discount codes for your customers, enabling you to run promotional campaigns and incentivize purchases. The Orders section provides an overview of all of the orders you have received from customers. It allows you to track and manage orders efficiently, ensuring a smooth fulfillment process. Lastly, the Subscriptions section enables you to sell subscriptions on your e-commerce store. This functionality is particularly useful for businesses that offer recurring services or products. In addition to the left panel, Webflow's Builder also provides a right panel that offers additional customization options for your e-commerce site. This panel allows you to fine-tune your site's style and element settings, giving you precise control over the appearance and functionality of your website. Here you can access the Style Manager to modify global styles and create consistent design elements across your site. You can also utilize interactions to add dynamic effects and animations to enhance user experience. Located at the top bar of the Webflow Builder, you'll find different versions of your website, including desktop, tablet, mobile landscape, and mobile portrait. These versions enable you to preview and optimize your site's responsiveness across various devices. By switching between these versions, you can ensure that your e-commerce store looks and functions seamlessly across different screen sizes. At the top bar on the left-hand side, you'll notice the Page option. This feature allows you to view and manage all the pages within your e-commerce store. From here, you can easily navigate between different pages, add new pages, duplicate existing ones, and organize the structure of your site. It provides a comprehensive overview of your website's page hierarchy and facilitates efficient management of your e-commerce content. Once you've utilized the website's building tools in the left and right panels to create your site, it's time to publish it. Click on the Publish button and then select Publish to selected domains. After a few seconds, your website will be published, and you'll see a green button indicating Published successfully. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Webflow. There are more things to learn about Webflow, so if you're interested in an advanced tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make it happen whenever I get a chance. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.